Namaskar friends, this is NJ, your host on this channel. So in this video we will have our discussion. I'm going to be giving you a presentation on the Basic Astrology Foundation course which I'll be beginning from the month of May. So I'm a Aries Lagna. Jupiter is going to be entering soon in my second house. So I need to be teaching astrology. I need to be making money exclusively teaching astrology. So yes guys, I have prepared a presentation. So I took so long to actually get into the teaching format because I have had previous commitments, but now just because I have moved my base back to India and I'm completely dedicated to exclusively to astrology. So now I'm ready and available to teach. So guys, I'll just make you guys go through the presentation. So first of all, the course which I have come up with is of 6 months and there are going to be 48 classes in that, and the course is going to be beginning from the month of May and it will last till October of 2024. The good part is that all the classes will be personally given by me in the live Zoom format. So it's not like that any student of mine or someone else on my behalf is going to appear and it's going to be teaching you. Second thing guys, for all those people who are new to Vedic Astrology, so what is the aim with this course which I have designed for you guys? So the very first point, to give you a strong foundation on the basic principles of jyotish. Like the way guys, for 6 months we will be together like a family. We will definitely form a WhatsApp group as well. Doubts are going to be getting discussed over there, and you know the kind of teacher I am. So like after every fresh class I will be doing a doubt clearing session. I'll be asking you question as well. So it's going to be my whole objective is going to be giving you a strong foundation. So let's say for example, if you're completely new to astrology, this course is going to be very helpful for you. And second thing is that if your knowledge is just gathered from here and there, so you will get a very sequential learning of astrology. Second point is familiarity with the essentials of Hindu Panchang to make you understand the composite picture of Prarabdha, destiny, and essentials of Muhurat. Trust me guys, this is the most important feature of this course, because only if you know all the 5 limbs of the Panchang, not only will be able to understand your destiny, like the way people just look at the moon sign or they just look at their moon nakshatra, but your destiny is a composite version of the date you are born, the day you are born, the yog, the karan, the nakshatra. You have to align everything all together. Along with that, which tithis, which nakshatras are auspicious for you to initiate certain tasks. So we will cover everything in this. Third point is in-depth understanding of the dynamics between zodiac signs and houses in astrology. So definitely guys, I always give attention to the Kal Purush zodiac sign and how to see the correlation between different zodiac sign with the houses. That is all what we will try to cover in this course. Next point is connecting Hindu Devology. I removed and replaced that word mythology because I am by myself a very devout Brahman Hindu, comes from a priest class in Hindu, but just like that in Hinduism I mean to say, but just because just with the usage of the word used to hurt lot many of my listeners, that it's true, we have so much faith in all of our teachings. How can you say or use the word myth or mythology? So I replaced the word from a dictionary to the Devology. So connecting Hindu Devology means our gods. Most importantly guys, festivals. So see, whatever I'm saying over here is more catered to the very new generation or those westerners living outside of India. Like I mean to say, all of our festivals, like whether you talk about the festival of lights, Diwali, a festival of colors, Holi, Janmashtami. So not only like there are gods and devatas connected with these festivals, but it is also very strongly connected with the planets as well. Strong remedies come out of it. So I mean to say, in this course I will also teach you on connecting the Hindu Devology, festivals, omens, most importantly Shakun Shastra. So what is the modern day relevance of it? So we will try to understand that in this course. Next point is part of the objective of this course, Strong understanding of various remedies advised in Hindu jyotish for planets. Again guys, there are like certain remedies which looks very esoteric, which looks very like not very doable. Like definitely like feeding cows, feeding animals, if it might be possible for someone living in countryside, it might not be possible for someone who lives in a very metropolitan city. So what is the science behind all those remedies? How can we tailor it as per our need, as per our lifestyle? All of that we will also try to learn in this course module. Now guys, comes the main part about the class timings and duration. So just because I need to cover total 48 classes, so I will be conducting classes twice a week, Monday and Fridays. Duration is going to be 1.5 hours, but I'm very much sure that I always stretch things, so I'm going to be extending the time from like formal official 1.5 hours, committed 1.5 hours. It is definitely going to be going beyond that, 2 hours and all, but yes, official committed time is going to be 1.5 hours every Monday and Fridays. Medium of the course is definitely going to be English. Now the way I already mentioned, a WhatsApp group will be created for the discussion amongst the students of the topics taught in the class, along with bonus third class once a while, like third class / week once in a while, to teach auxiliary healing topics like aura, chakras, rudraksha therapies. So I'm not committing to this, but yes, definitely whatever I can deliver as per my availability, as per the availability of the participants. Now definitely I do not want to be walking extra miles if the students by themselves, they do not want it, they're not ready, they're not willing. But let's say for example, if I'll end up, and I'm very much hopeful and optimistic for that I will be a part of a, like I will form a group, I will get those students who will be very much curious towards the attainment of knowledge. So then in those cases, once in a while I will definitely conduct the third class. So this class will not come out of your officially allotted time to the astrology. It will come beyond it. Like if I am free and I have some important sutras connected with, how can we connect palmistry with it? How can we connect pranic healing with it? How can we do dowsing, switch words? So that is going to be the third bonus optional one. So yes guys, and yeah, all classes will be recorded and available to download. After that guys, just a brief idea about the course module. So Vedic Astrology, Introduction, Philosophy, subdivision of it. Vedic Astrology, science behind it. Vedas, like jyotish is considered as one of the the netras, eyes of the Vedas. So all the 6 Vedangas and all, we will discuss that, and the karma theory. The 9 planets with Kal Purush allotment, so human personified. So when we talk about all the 9 planets, how can you see them, like from the Kal Purush Kundali point of view? Same is the way guys, understanding the karmic grip through Rahu and Ketu. Zodiac signs with Kal Purush allotments, human personified. So we will do that as well, like the way we say that Leo sign is the Kal Purush Kundali's 5th house energy. So all of that we will try to decode. After that guys, we will definitely have a discussion on Panchang. I already mentioned that. Raj Yogas, Panch Mahapurush Yogas, Neej Bhang Yogas, the cancellation sutras and all. Legends of Hindu gods and association with planets in Jyotish. So like the way there is a whole lot of story that why Mercury do not like moon. So not only from the astrology principles point of view, but I will also inculcate or infuse the connection of our Hindu gods, our legends, our lores with it as well. This will definitely make your understanding and learning much easier. After that guys, planetary dasha system, we will briefly touch that in the basic foundation course. Vimshodri dasha for timing of events, the sutras used for it. Right approach to understand the transit of planets and how they trigger events. Like we say that certain transit, like Jupiter's transit is considered as very fortunate. Same ways Saturn's transit, Rahu and Ketu's transit, how it is different from Jupiter's transit, we will try to understand that. Along with that guys, science behind remedial measure and their relevance in modern times. Lastly guys, the most important part, the timing, course fees, and what all it includes. So there are going to be two batches, because I know that if you are in London, the time zone compared to the local Indian Delhi time is somewhat like you are so behind that if it is morning over here, it might be midnight over there. So I will be doing and providing the option of two time slots. So 7 a.m. IST and 7 p.m. IST. Basis your availability, you can choose or pick any one time slot. So it is going to be 2 days a week, and two time slots are going to be available. And let's say for example, if Jupiter is going to be transiting in my second house, I'm very much sure it might give me people interested in both the time slots, both the batches, and I'll be very grateful for that. Now guys, when we talk about the course fees, so I set the course fees as 1500 USD, and what it will include the tuition, class recordings, and along with that PDF, case studies and notes shared by me. So I will ensure that all the course material which I can share with you, all the workshops which even I attended 7, 8, 10 years back, along with that, if any for specific topic, I by myself have made some video exclusive to give you understanding on that topic. I can put that in the WhatsApp group which we will form. So yes guys, this is how the whole look and theme of this like about to start Vedic Astrology Basic Foundation course is going to be like. And guys, when we talk about the cancellation policy, so $100 will be charged on refund up till attending first introduction class. So let's say for example, you paid the fees. After that, after attending the first class only, you get to know that okay, I don't feel like I'm comfortable in this group, or I'm comfortable with this course module, or something else turns out and all. So you will have this option to, even after attending the first class, you will get the refund with the $100 reduction only. But let's say for example, after you have attended even the second class, after that there is going to be no refund. So you will have enough time to think about it. And guys, a little bit about myself. So as you know that I started my channel way back in 2016. Yes, 2016. So just give me 2-3 more years before that. Ever since I'm in the pursuit of attainment of this knowledge, devoted, dedicated, samarpit to this knowledge. And I come from a family of astrologer as well. My own maternal uncle has been doing it. So astrology has been always all around me. It only got initiated formally from the past 10 years. That is all what I can say. Apart from that, I have done palmistry courses from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan. I have done tarot courses from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, and when we talk about numerology, which I'm currently doing, I had done few workshops before, but I wanted to get the certification. So now I'm again doing numerology, Vastu, and pranic healing courses from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan. Astrology I learnt from all of my faculties of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan through different workshops, through different classes from them, online classes from them. So yes guys, that is about me and about my teaching skills. So you know about my chart. I've shared my chart so many times. So I have like kind of a Saraswati yoga in my 11th house. All the benefic planets like Jupiter, Moon, Mercury, Venus, they are in the 11th house, which give aspect to the 5th house. Also my 5th lord is in the 10th house, so I'm supposed to do something good in teaching, which will be a highlight of my career. Along with that, in my D9 chart as well, I've got like Saturn, Mercury, Jupiter, all the planets in the 5th house. So 5th house is strong by God's grace. Individually, Jupiter is also very strong by God's grace. And teaching experience, yes, I remember when I was in college, I used to teach, she was in 10th standard, maths to a 10th standard girl. So yeah, maths has always been my favorite subject. So, and yes guys, about my teaching style, like the way I already mentioned, so it's going to be like a family. And second thing is that I will ensure that you are learning, not with this intent to let down anyone in a group, but definitely to encourage you for more deeper learning and understanding. And I've also come across a lot many times where people say this thing that even after doing courses, people, they feel shy, reluctant, hesitant to give presentation for public speaking and all. So I will work on that aspect as well. So be assured that before the start of the fresh class, I will go through what you have learned, your understanding on the last class, certain doubt clearing session, and then we'll make a foray into the fresh concept allotted for that day. So yes guys, that is all what I have to say to present, and I am very much interested. I have a strong Rahu in the first house as well, so I actually function very well in a very cosmopolitan environment. I'll be very happy that if I'll be doing classes for a batch where someone is from Japan, someone is from China, someone is from Iceland, someone is from Russia, someone is from some US, Canada. So I'll be more happy to see such a cosmopolitan, healthy, interested to gain knowledge kind of group environment. So yes guys, that is all what I have to say. I look forward to your participation, and thanks a lot for watching this video. Dhanyavad.